Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Whalers processor ETF present its first report on private sector hearing after a methodology makeover. Eurozone inflation hits a new record high, a Russia turn off the gas taps and downstream. Snap is reportedly planning job cuts and HPNPS by earned paint a bleak picture for consumer electronics. China's manufacturing sector is still sinking, and oil prices slump as stockpiles rise and reports of an imminent deal to restore Iranian export circulate. Here's what you need to know in financial markets on Wednesday, 31 August. 1. ETF pillars are back. The ETF prepaid layers service is back after a couple of months in which the pillar processing worked to iron out some of the quizzes in the methodology which had undermined its usefulness as an advance quite to the official labor market report. The market may not want to trade much on the first set of numbers under the new methodology, but the consensus varies of a relatively modest third modest 300 gain in non-frame pillar in Friday is already at risk of an upside surprise. The monthly job opening survey on Thursday showed vacancies still abundant, while jobless cloud numbers due Thursday have also stayed lower than many expected a month or two ago. Speeches from Federal Reserve Presidents Loretta Master, Lori Logan, and Raphael Bostic also punctuated the economic calendar. 2. Eurozone inflation hits new record high as Russia turned off the pads. Inflation in the Eurozone rose to a new record high of 9% in August, again overshooting expectation in a repeat of what has been a depressing department this year. The numbers at the prices on the European Central Bank for a big rate hike on next week's meeting. German Central Bank Chief Gerald Nagel called in a speech for a decisive raising from the ECB to stop inflation expectation. The another side, however, the bank's office chief economist Piers Lane said on Thursday that his favored a more gradual series of small taps. 3. Succeed to open mixes net job cuts in focus. U.S. stock markets are set to open mixed later, struggling to break a 3-day losing streak driven by bursts of higher investing rates. Stock likely to be in focus later include Snap and SNEP, which is reported to be planning big job cuts, which is down over 6% per market after giving a disappointing outlook for the PC sector. Weak spending in consumer electronics also hit Best Buy's earnings, although its numbers were in line with forecast. CrowdStrike and Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, by contrast, continue the relatively strong run of reports from the business software sector. JP Morgan may also get some attention after news that its German officials were raided in a wide-ranging probe into tax evasion by banks lasting years. 4. China still in contracting. China's manufacturing sector spent another month in contracting. In August, according to the official Purchasing Manager Index published overnight, was consistent with moderate expenses but came in lower than estimates due to a fall in the service PMA. Okay, I think that's for me. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.